There are two screws for changing the oil in the gearbox, which can be identified as the oil inlet and the oil outlet. Step 1. Drain the oil. First, unscrew the oil outlet screw, then unscrew the oil inlet screw to allow the oil to drain out. While draining, you can shake the gearbox to speed up the oil flow. Step 2. Add cleaning fluid. Pour in the cleaning fluid. Use 12-15 ml of cleaning fluid. Then tighten the screws. Run the gearbox for 1 minute. Then drain the cleaning fluid. Cleaning is complete. Tighten the screws. Step 3. Refill with 12 mm oil.